goal. If you keep God first, we all appreciate that. You know, the platform we have right now, 500 million views in 30 days. Brother, I'm glad that it came to you. You know, we may be the right person. I would say famous. Especially this is one of the many blessings that God isn't gonna retire you. Love. This is gonna retire you. This is only something so you can get ahead of you. Because I know you're gonna be smart. Right? I want you to focus on your content, focus on the message that you're pushing to the world. Right? I posted on my page one time and everybody was blowing up my phone. Ashton Small. They see a light in you, brother. And I just want to say thank you for allowing me to spend 2 weeks with you personally. Love you, bro.
Bahaye bamwita The Ben Kaigabi nawe ahise yigendera kabisa.